Hi there. Today I am going to talk to you about a brand new opportunity that just hit the market. I am convinced that this is an opportunity that can help you reach the famous $10,000 per month mark. I am very excited about this new company. The products have been around for a few months, but the marketing and the opportunity was officially launched last week. And let me tell you, the number of people who are signing up is absolutely astonishing. I believe over 6,000 members have already joined this company. I guarantee you that this company is going to be one of the best network marketing companies of 2023. So if you're watching this video, you're lucky because very few people know about this opportunity. I myself joined this opportunity a few days ago, and this week alone, I have already made $1,000. And in this video, I will show you how I did it. The company name is Livegood. They have by far one of the best compensation plans in the industry. I think the biggest difference with other network marketing companies is the quality and cost of their products. Livegood uses a strategy that allows them to sell their products at very low prices. Would you rather spend $62 on a plant-based protein or just $34? Just look at these examples. Truvani and Total Vegan are selling their vegan protein for around $60, and you get a better quality product with Livegood for only $34. So you are pretty much saving $30. People are buying Livegood products not because they are forced to buy, but because they are inexpensive. If you have ever joined a network marketing company in the past, you know that the products are very expensive, and members are forced to use these products. And that's why most network marketing companies have a bad reputation. Livegood uses a totally different approach. You do not have to use or sell the products to make money. Most of your commissions will come from their affiliate program. They want you to buy the product not because you are forced to, but because of the quality and the price. So, let's see how you can make money with Livegood. I have personally recruited close to 40 people in the past week. So, if I go to genealogy, you can see it. I've recruited 40 people. If you look at the compensation plan, the first method to make money is called Weekly Fast Start. The site is in English right now, but you can translate the site into any language. So for each person you refer to Livegood, who becomes a member and an affiliate for $49.95, you receive $25 commission paid the very next week. So, if you do the math, I referred 40 people and I earned $25 commission on each one of them. So, I made $1,000 in 1 week. Livegood has a partnership with iPayouts, an international payment company. So, you can receive your commissions from any country in the world. And I'm already at the silver level, which allows me to make 10% of the commissions on the sales of the people under me and 5% commission on the sales of the people who come after. If you count what I'm going to earn from the people under me, I could easily get to $10,000 per month, especially if I keep recruiting that many people. I assure you that this opportunity is incredible. I have years of experience in network marketing, and I have yet to see a company with a compensation plan like this one. I was a member of Neolife in the past, and you need at least 2 years of hard recruiting to reach $10,000 per month. I am not blaming Neolife, but it is definitely much harder to try to convince people to buy expensive products, especially if they can get the same products for much cheaper elsewhere. The second way to make money with Livegood is called Matrix Commissions. Let me explain how it works. When you join their affiliate program, they have a system they call the Matrix that will automatically add members below you. New members are placed in the matrix below all the members that are already in there. So even if you don't recruit anyone, you're going to have several people under you, and you're going to make 2.5% commission on their sales. I don't know if you're listening to me. 2.5 commission on the sales of the people you did not recruit. You have the ability to make up to $2,047 a month without ever recruiting a single person. That's why people are scrambling to sign up quickly. I have team members who have enrolled their entire families. I would advise you to join this program as soon as possible. The goal is to get as many people under you as possible. Imagine that you have joined Harbalife in 1980 when the company was just getting established. You would have already been a billionaire by now. And unlike Herbalife, Livegood compensation plan allows people to make a lot more money in lesser time. As you can see, if you get to the diamond level, you can earn up to $16,383.50 per month. And that is not all. Let's talk about the third way to earn money with Livegood. This option is called matching bonuses. With this option, you will receive 50% of the matrix commissions for each person you recruit. So, if you recruit 10 people and they are all earning $6,000 a month in their matrix, that means you'll earn a $3,000 bonus on each of them every month. So that's $30,000 in commissions on just those 10 people. And that doesn't include what you will earn in your own matrix. So, with this scenario, you could make about $46,000 a month if you were at the diamond level. Like I said, this is the opportunity of the century. This company is revolutionizing the network marketing industry. As I speak, thousands of people are leaving other companies to join Livegood. People are tired of being forced to use expensive products and earn nothing but scraps. I made $1,000 in 1 week, and I have several members of my team who are making similar amounts. Right now, we are recruiting more people to join our team. So, if you are watching this video, you should jump on board, because we have one of the best performing team. We are using the same strategies to generate leads. Now let's talk about the method we use to recruit hundreds of people every month. This is the method we teach our team members. Take a look at my inbox, for example. You can see dozens of people registering on our site all day long, and people from all over the world. In the past, in order to recruit, we had to spend time harassing people on the street. And unfortunately, this is the method that the majority of network marketing companies still teach their members. They ask you to harass your friends and family members. This method is obsolete. Today, thanks to social media, you can recruit hundreds of people every month without leaving your house. Here are the two methods we use. Number 1, the organic method. This consists of promoting Livegood to people who are already in your network. It is also about growing your network strategically. With this method, you will join several social media groups, and you will create multiple posts about this opportunity every day. You have to be consistent. People will see your posts and reach out to you directly. The goal is to let people come to you and not the other way around. This method is for people who do not have money to invest in advertising. It requires work, but above all, it requires consistency. Then we have the paid method. It consists of investing in paid ads. We will show you how to generate high-quality leads without spending a lot of money on ads. I recommend that you join our team, and we will share with you the strategies that have been working for us so far. Our goal is to have every member of our team get to at least $1,000 per week. So, I invite you to click on the link below this video to sign up with Livegood. It only costs $49 to sign up, and you will only need to recruit 2 people to get your investment back. And let's take the worst possible case scenario. Let's say you are not able to recruit anyone. You still have the possibility to make $2,000 per month once your matrix fills out. When you finish your registration, I will reach out to you directly by email, and I will share with you the strategy that me and my team are using at the moment to generate hundreds of leads each week. Thank you for watching this video until the end.